guys, my name is Jacquie Whitt. I'm the owner of Adios Adventure Travel, and for 10 years I've been flying down to Lima and other places in South America, and I've helped a lot of people do the same. So today I want to help you organize and arrange your flights to Peru, just in case you're going to this cool place. People traveling to Machu Picchu may not realize how important the flights are, and certainly it's possible to call your travel agent or go online and just book any flight, but you don't want to be hanging out in the airport, you don't want to be waiting around, you don't want to use your time inefficiently. You want to be able to move around and spend your time seeing the really cool things there are to see in Cusco, the Sacred Valley, and of course Machu Picchu. The nearest international airport to Machu Picchu is Lima, Peru, on the coast. And most flights arrive from the US, Europe, and Asia. They'll arrive in the evening. The last flight to Cusco leaves at 7:45 p.m. So that means you'll probably have to spend the night, at least one night, even if you're just planning on going straight to Cusco. If you're staying in the city, it makes sense to go to one of the hotels in Miraflores or Barranco, but if not, you might as well stay at the airport. The Wyndham Hotel is right there. It's connected by a sky bridge. You can walk over in 5 minutes. Sometimes the airlines will try to bundle your flights, and they'll get you on a late night arrival, and then they'll try to have you go up to Cusco at like 5 or 6 in the morning. But nothing's open, so I don't recommend this unless you have pre-arranged for your hotel to be available. Otherwise, you're just going to hang out and sit and wait until everything opens up. There are flights that fly overnight and arrive early morning, usually on American Airlines or LATAM. And for those people, all you need to do is continue up to Cusco on the same day. I would allow at least 3 or 4 hours layover. You don't want to arrange your train and any other important connections immediately upon arrival in Cusco, because those flights are the most likely to be delayed. When you're coming back from Cusco to Lima, you'll see that there's usually a long layover in Lima Airport, and that's because most of the flights to the US and to Europe and Asia kind of leave late at night, sometimes after midnight. So if you want to minimize your layover in Lima, by all means book an afternoon flight, but I don't recommend booking the last flight of the day, because if it's delayed or if there's a mechanical problem, weather problems, you risk missing that international connection. I don't recommend sleeping in the airport. I did it once. It was the longest night ever, and it was only 4 hours long. There are a few Airbnbs and hostels nearby, but the area around the Lima airport is kind of industrial. It's not pedestrian friendly. And to get to those places, you should ask them to pick you up. You don't want to go out and haggle with a Lima taxi driver to get a transfer, either to one of those little hostels nearby or into Miraflores. Always, always ask your hotel to have a driver meet your flight. That's the safest and the most efficient way to get you in, and it'll also help you have an understanding of what the cost is going to be. If you know you're arriving in Cusco early, ask your hotel to arrange an early check-in, or book the hotel the night before and just pay for it. It actually might be cheaper than booking the Wyndham Hotel at the Lima airport. Visit our website and you'll find information about Lima flights and about Lima and Cusco taxis. I'll put a link at the bottom of the video. If you have any questions, you're welcome to call me anytime. Enjoy your trip to South America, have fun, and I hope to see you.